Hello friends, I'm Esan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is a brand new independent house available for sale in Bangalore Northeast between Old Madras Road and Outer Ring Road, 4.5 kilometers from Outer Ring Road and 4 kilometers from Old Madras Road. New property, 25 by 50 land area. It has e-Khata, DC conversion is done. E-Khata under Panchayat limits is equivalent to e-Khata under BBMP limits. 30 feet wide tar road. Fastest developing locality in Kalkere extension. 1250 square feet land area, bigger than 30-40. So ground floor large car parking area and 2 BHK unit. Complete tiles, anti-skid tiles and granite flooring. Even in the common area, you can see beautiful tar road is there, 30 feet wide. First, we will see the main house, owner stay unit, which is on the first floor. Later, we will come to the ground floor, which is a 2 BHK but smaller one compared to first floor. Rough finish granite flooring, false ceiling, LED lighting in common area as well as inside. Complete wall tiles are there. Pillar based construction. Right now ground floor, first floor and top studio is constructed. Further construction can be added. East facing door, and towards the northeast you can see this beautiful living room, full wall paneling and TV unit with showcase. Cross ventilation is there. Right round setback space has been left. Luxurious interior work, false ceiling, LED lighting. So this is meant for the owner's stay. You get spacious hall, dining, kitchen, puja room, 2 bedroom, 1 attached, 1 common bathroom. Flooring is granite. This is a modern puja room with east and west orientation. Mix of glass, CNC and wood. Totally 3 families can stay in this building. This is kitchen in the southeast corner. Full modular kitchen with lots of storage baskets, vertical storage rack. Modern storage rack. Next to kitchen in the southwest corner, this is master bedroom. Wardrobe, false ceiling and attached bathroom is there. So this is attached bathroom. Shower area has a highlight tile, wall mounted toilet, hand wash basin. All Jaguar bathroom fittings will be provided. Final finishing and bathroom fittings is pending. Everything else is completed. This is the second bedroom. As you can see, sliding doors are given for wardrobes, which consume no space. Both the bedrooms can accommodate king size cot. AC provision is done. Two side windows for cross ventilation. And this is the common bathroom. Center washing machine provision. Now let's see the terrace floor. Further development pillars have been left. If you want, this floor can be fully built. Further, one more floor you can add in future. And this is a studio unit. Newly married couple can stay, or 2-3 bachelors can share this unit if you are going to rent it out. It has a hall cum bedroom, kitchen and common bathroom. Spacious one. Well planned property. So that was north facing studio unit. Now we are on the ground floor. This is a smaller 2 BHK unit. This property is suitable if you are planning to stay two families together, like two brothers want to stay in the same building. Independent building. Unlike apartment, independent houses have their own advantage. No restrictions, complete freedom that you get in an independent property owned by yourself. So this is a compact 2 BHK without dining. Otherwise the rooms, bathrooms are all good size. As the ground floor also has parking area, so you get this room. Bathroom is spacious, ventilation is there. For water, there is own borewell. Bescom electricity connection is there. Anchor switches and wires. Please read the complete description for all details of this property and site visit. Also like, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.